Hello guys, welcome back to Gary Tech Interior. Thank you for the support that you are bringing back toward this channel. So over here we have been okay, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment, or even you can criticize us whenever you see there's a problem that is going on. So here it is on I think it is on a Tuesday, of which is a sunny. So you can see the weather is a bit sunny. So we are in Garissa, of which the weather is too a bit harsh, but we are trying to struggle with it so that we can make amazing this beautiful house that you see behind me. So the last day that I did this video, we were doing the molding work of the columns. I think they were on the process of finishing it. So today we have a bit like I think it is like I think it's 2 or 3 days since I've not yet posted anything concerning this house. So of which today up to now, for the last 2 days, I can say that we have been doing the molding work for the windows and the ceiling work, and of which we are doing gypsum work for the inside of our house. So it is interior designing on the inside of our house, like you can see behind back there. So I'm going to give you the updates of this particular 2-bedroom house, of which it has got a kitchen, it has got a sitting room and a front porch that you can see here. So and then our master is ensuite. So I'm going to give you the house tour to show you the progress, how so far it is. So you can see here, this is the front balcony. This is our front balcony of this particular house. You can see they have done their molding work on this particular house. You can see they have done very beautiful the way you see there. So if you want these guys for this particular molding work, you can call us or you can contact us through our number, of which is 0746289667, and then you'll have them. And then there's another thing. If you are let me address this. So if you have a house somewhere, or you have anything that is concerned maybe building or anything towards construction, kindly give us, through you giving the job that maybe you have, maybe it's interior designing, maybe it's building entire house, maybe it's architectural design, maybe it's tiling, maybe it's painting. We always give our young men so that they don't involve on those bad things, so that we always try to give them so that they can be kept busy working throughout the day. So if you have a site somewhere, or you have anything that you can as well as gift us, or you can think that we can do, kindly I will urge you to give that particular work, so that we support our young generation, of which here in Kenya there's a bit employment issue. So whenever, if you give us, let's say, that particular job, you can as well as see we'll be saving a lot of families' life. So kindly you can contact our number that is on our bio, so that we can link us through any particular job. So here, this is the front porch, as you can see. So I'm going around this particular house to show you how is it. So this is the front balcony, and then this is the window for the master bedroom. Of you can see they have done the molding work, like you can see here. So as I go around, you can see this is the corners, the design that we went with. You can see it's so very amazing. And then, so here, this is the work for yesterday, of which the molding work was for 3 windows. So this was the first window, of which is on a master, as you can go. And then here it will be done later, of which is tomorrow. And then as you go, this is another window for the bedrooms, of which you can say that is for the kids' bedroom, of which it has been done yesterday. You can see it's very nice. As you can go, you can see here, sorry for the it is a bit windy. So this is the corners for another kids' bedroom, and then this is another window that was been done yesterday, the 3rd window for the kids' bedroom. And then when you can see here, this is the kids' bedroom, of which the work that was done on the first day. so they were doing only this flat ceiling design. You can see we went with the gypsum work so that our work could be looking so nice. So you can see this is the kids bedroom, of which is quite amazing and it is quite big enough to hold our clients' needs. So here, this is the outside, the exit door, of which is on our toilet. And then you can see this is the this is the kitchen, not toilet. So this is the kitchen. You can see this was the work that was done on the first day. You can see they done only a flat ceiling design, the flat ceiling design. You can see as well as this is our kitchen cabinets. You can see we have already laid out the design, and then you can see this is the sink for this particular kitchen. So let me go outside, and then so for today's work, you can see this is the window one. You can see this is the first window they have done in the morning, and then you can see as well as this is another window that has been done, of which you can see this is the second window that has been done on this particular day, of which this is the day 2 of doing molding work for this particular window molding. So you can see this is the guy who has been doing the molding work. You can see he's on the third window, he's doing his work. So if you want to reach him, or if maybe you want to reach him individually, he can as well as give you his number, so that check it, wape namba yako kama mtu anataka ku molding work, at least anaweza kupigia
07 13 61 57 28.
Rudia.
07 13 61 57 28.
Okay, so if you want to reach him individually, or you can as well as call us through our number, you can if you want the molding design both for windows or for the columns, you can as well as call him. He's readily available. He can as well as works for you in every part of corner or any design for you that you want. So this is the we are back at the top, at the entrance of the house. You can see this is the front porch, of which we have not yet done, of which we are tomorrow, God willing, this will be the last day it will be the last day for doing the ceiling work, of which is a gypsum that will be done here tomorrow. And then you can see this is the sitting room, of which it was done yesterday. It was only for the flat design, and then tomorrow, God willing, they will be now doing the decoration, of which the style for which we have agreed with our client to go with. So this is the sitting room, and then you can as well as see this there. So I can't access to the other end because you can see this thing that has been laid here, so that they can help them to reach that end. So this is the corridor, of which there is another one that you can see at the end there. They are still working on it. So this is the corridor. And then I didn't show you the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. You can as well as see they are doing the design on this particular master bedroom, of which there is a toilet there. So I've told you that the master is en suite. That is its toilet, and then the design of this particular master bedroom, they are already doing it. So guys, I think up to that end, if you are a new subscriber, make sure you have subscribed to this particular YouTube channel. And then for this particular YouTube channel, you can as well as comment, like, share, and even consult anything in terms of construction. So guys, make sure if you are a new subscriber, kindly I will urge you to be so more consistent towards this. I will be doing this video each and every day, so that you can see the you can see we can tell us the progress of this particular house up to the end, so that you can see the fabulous the design that will be doing on this particular house. So I think up to there I'll end this video. So let's meet tomorrow after they have done the entire gypsum work. So goodbye.